Hello, Futurasmus friends. I'm George, your trusted technician. We are here in the showroom once again to see the new series of Lingg and Janke products, the exclusive 55 series that we have here. So let the video begin. Well, here we have one of the exclusive 55 push buttons. As you can see, they are very basic push buttons. They do not have much complexity, but what stands out the most is their price, since they are the cheapest KNX push buttons on the market. We have a limited time offer! Now in 3 minutes, I'm going to explain all the functionality and variety there is. So let's get started. This device comes in 3 separate parts: the KNX bus coupler, the push button module, and the frame. This is so that we can combine all the available frames with the available keys and the same BCU, so that we would only have to look at how we want the final design to choose the device. The frames, being 55 by 55 millimeters, are compatible with all conventional frames with these same dimensions. Now we move on to the interesting part. We mainly have 4 versions of BCU. They all have 4 channels and 4 binary inputs or outputs. The difference is that we can purchase them with a temperature and humidity sensor, without a temperature and humidity sensor, KNX Secure, and with RGB status LEDs. If we look at the BCU from the back, we can see that it has the pin inputs. The 2 at the top are those referring to the RGB LEDs, while the 2 at the bottom are for expanding this module with expansion modules or with other buttons. These entries are numbered from A to H, dividing it into 2 parts. From A to D allows us to duplicate the functions of the button in another button that we have. Thus, we would not have to configure or program the other button, since it would perform the same functions that this one does. On the other hand, inputs E to H allow us to add an expansion module to be able to perform new functions from another button. To do this, you would have to purchase another exclusive 55 push button, but the expansion module version, which is simpler and is only to be added to the exclusive 55 buttons. We also have double KNX bus couplers, but only for vertical mounting. To put it in a horizontal layout, we would need a normal push button and then an expansion module to be able to place it right next to it. In addition, we also have cables available to connect the different modules and RGB LEDs. Following the same design line, we also have the exclusive 55 temperature and humidity sensors, which we have here. As you can see, they are practically the same. The only thing they are not buttons, and we have them in 3 colors: white, black, and gray. The framework, being compatible with all exclusive 55, you still have the possibility of combining them as you want. As you can see, these devices deliver what they promise. They are very simple but very functional push buttons, and also, most importantly, the price, since they are the cheapest on the market. You can purchase them on our website from only $64.95. Look for others like it, you won't find them. You have the offer available until the end of the month, so hurry up and fly. Well, friends of Futurasmus, that's it for today's video. You already know another little product, the exclusive 55 push buttons, which are always good to have in stock. Thank you for watching the video until the end. You can leave a like, subscribe, you have our social networks below in case you want to follow us. You can also contact us at our contact number or by email. And if you want us to analyze a specific product, you can leave it below in the comments box. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. See you again!